First, I selected a simple photo and started by changing the background into a fancy and stylish designing. I choose a background that looks attractive and gives a premium feel to the image. After that, I carefully adjusted the position and blending so that adjust looks natural with a new background. Next, I worked on the opacity. I reduced the opacity slightly to create a smooth and soft effect, making the image look more professional and visually pleasing. This step helps to blend the colors and lighting perfectly, giving the photo a modern aesthetic look.